स्वागत 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 आप सबका स्वागत है अपने YouTube चैनल द आर्ट ऑफ प्रोग्रामिंग पे। हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू योर ओन YouTube क्लास द आर्ट ऑफ प्रोग्रामिंग। In this video we will see how do we convert a decimal number to hexadecimal number. In the last video we have seen how do we convert a binary to decimal and decimal to binary. I strongly suggest to watch this video before watching this. Let's take an example and try to understand. Let's take the decimal number as 145. This is the decimal number and we want to convert into a hexadecimal number which is of base 16. Now base 16 means the numbers from 0 to 9 and A to F can be used in hexadecimals. Therefore we take this number 145 and repeatedly divide it by 16. Repeatedly divide it by 16. We know that 16 9 ja 144. 1 is the remainder. Now we have got the quotient which is less than 16. Therefore we stop here and we write this from bottom to top. Therefore 145 is equal 91 in hexadecimal. But we know that the hexadecimal numbers begin with 0x. Hence we write it as 0x91 in hexadecimal is equal to 145 in decimal. Let's take another example. Let's take 9743. Now 9743 in decimal is what number in hexadecimal? We take 9743 and repeatedly divide this number by 16. 16 6 ja 96, 143. 16 8 ja 128 and 15 is the remainder. Therefore we write 15, but we cannot use 15 as it is. 15 in hexadecimal is nothing but F. Therefore we write F. This F is 15. Now it is 68. 16 4 ja 64 and 4 is the remainder. We got the quotient less than 16. We stop here and we write in bottom to top way. Therefore 9743 in decimal is equal 44F in hexadecimal. This is equal to 0x44F in hexadecimal. Similarly, please try 23,185 in decimal is equal to what number in hexadecimal. I hope that you have understood how do we convert a decimal number to hexadecimal number. Here the remainder was 15, we would have written F. If the remainder was 10, we would have written A, remainder 11 B, remainder 12 C, remainder 13 D, remainder 14 E, and remainder 15 we have written F. Now let us see how do we convert an hexadecimal number back to decimal. Let us see how do we convert a hexadecimal number to decimal. Let's take an hexadecimal number 0xb4d1. Let's take the number 0xb4d1. Now we know that this hexadecimal is of base 16. This is of base 16 and we want to know it is what number in decimal. We write this b4d1 in the placeholder forms. b4d1. Now this is units place, tens, hundreds, thousand. A is nothing but 10. B is 11. Hence we write 11 into this is 16 cube plus. Now this is 4 into 16 square plus this is D. D is nothing but 13. 13 into 16 plus this is 1 into 16 to the power 0. You compute this answer. Whatever the number you get, that's the number in the decimal. That's the number in the decimal. I'll post this answer in the description section. Let's take one more example. Let's take 0x, say for example A1. Now let's see what is this answer in decimal. We write this A1, this is units place, tens place. A is nothing but 10 into 16 to the power 1 plus 1 into 16 to the power 0. This is equal 160 plus 1. This is equal to 161. Therefore, 0xA1 in hexadecimal is equal 161 in decimal. This is the way we convert an hexadecimal number to decimal and decimal number to hexadecimal. So friends, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel, share this channel with your friends, like this video, and put a comment on the comment section on how do you find this video. Thank you friends for watching this. Have a great day.